Hello, my name is Kay from Ekascloud. My presentation is to give a quick overview on AWS EC2 service. And the agenda is I will be speaking on what Amazon EC2 is, the features of Amazon EC2 instance, and types of EC2 instance that we have in AWS. What is Amazon EC2? EC2 refers to Elastic Compute Cloud. It is elastic in that it allows you to increase or decrease the amount of service for your instance or once you have one configured. And this allows you to quickly respond to demand made to your application or your resource. It allows you the option to select required compute or server resource that you need. So you might need resources or servers such as application server, web server, database server, and the likes. And in Amazon, these are referred to as instance. So instead of saying a server, they are referred to as instance. And these resources are hosted in data centers over the internet. The common features of Amazon EC2 instance include your ability to have it in a virtual computing environment, and also you have the option to pre-configured or customizable templates, and these are called Amazon Machine Image. Options to select the type of hardware you require, so that's your CPU, the memory type, storage, networking capacity for your instance. And you also, for securing your instance, you can use key pairs. So this is one of the options you have. You have a key pair customized for allowing secure login and access to your instance. There are two types of storage for your instance. So you can have a temporary storage, which is one that comes automatically with your instance, or you can have the option to buy more storage options, which are called a persisting storage option for your instance. Your instance, once set up, will be available from different regions and availability zones that are available from AWS. And the way to set up a firewall for your instance will be to set up security groups, which will help to specify the types of protocol, port, and source IP ranges that are allowed to reach your instance. The common types of EC2 instance we have include the general purpose EC2 instance, which is a balance of compute, memory, and networking resources, and this include the ones you will require for caching, for backend servers, and if you have like small database work to be done, so you can use this kind of instance for that work. Also, you have the compute optimized instance, which is a very recommended, which is highly recommended for high performance processors. So if you have media transcoding work to be done, batch processing work to be done, this is a type of instance that would be ideal for that. We also have memory optimized EC2 instance, which will help to deliver very high performance for workload, such as if you need to process large data sets. So if you've got things on MySQL or NoSQL work to be done, then this type of instance will be recommended for you. And lastly, we have a storage optimized EC2 instance, which are for when you have a requirement for high sequential read and write access to very large data sets, maybe on a local storage. So we're talking about massive parallel processing on data warehouse. And that's the end of my presentation. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.